In this video, we will see how to use the OpenKM add-in for Microsoft Access. Once we open a database project, we can see the OpenKM tab at the top. Inside the tab, we find a configuration button, where we can select the language, the credentials for the connection. We'll indicate whether or not we want to add metadata when we upload a file to the document management system repository. We test the connection and click on the Accept button. Next, we see the Upload button. It is important to save the changes made in the document. Anyway, when we click on the Upload button, a message will appear in which the add-in asks if we want to save the latest version of the file. In this case, we click on the Yes button, and a pop-up window will appear in which we can choose where we save the Access file in OpenKM. We click the Upload button, and following the configuration, the add-in asks us to insert a group of metadata. We cover it, we save the changes, and as we can see, the system informs us that the Access document has been successfully uploaded. If we access the DMS and update the view, we see the Access document in its version 1.1. If we want to update the database again, in Access, we click on the Upload button, click on the Yes option, and select the same path. The system detects that the file already exists and asks if we want to update it. We click on the Yes button. In this case, we are not going to add a metadata group. In OpenKM, we can see the Access file in version 1.1. But if we update the document browser, we check that the system contains the most updated version of the file.